Continue. Whoever is scrupulous in this mitzvah of tefillin, whoever is scrupulous in this mitzvah of tefillin, to treat them in accordance with their holiness, not to speak idle words or mundane matters while wearing them, he will live long life. So it's very important when you have your tefillin on, do not speak, preferably not to speak at all, but at least not but if you learn the Torah, you can learn the Torah. There is no problem, right? But mundane matters, how you and how's yesterday, don't do it, right? He will live long life and is assured that he is destined in the world to come, not to speak when with tefillin on. This is derived from the verse, Yeshayahu 38:16, that states, those who Lord is upon them, referring to those who carry upon them the name of HaShem, tefillin. They shall live in this world. So Yeshayahu say, those who have the name of HaShem, them shall live in this world. So and we have a shin, right? Before a shin on our this tefillin on the head. So that's, I guess, the answer to the question. And whoever has them, the spirit of life, that is, whoever wears the tefillin, shel yad, is one opposite of the heart, the seat of life. So the life comes from, like, blood comes from the heart. You, Hashem, will strengthen me and cause me to live in the world to come. So let's see. So commentaries say, the simple meaning of the verse refers to the resurrection of the dead and was written by King Hiskiyahu as a part of composition upon the recovery from the mortal illness. So, but it's clearly refers to tefillin. Okay, so let's try to finish this, and then we have a few minutes for questions, I guess. The word tefillin is derived from the ruled spei lamet lamet, okay, which indicates the contention or proof. Okay, it is for this reason that the lamet of the word tefillin is punctuated with a dagish. Lamet with a dagish, meaning that we read this lamet as li, right? The dagish is a dot. To make up for the second lamet, so they say it should be maybe two lamets, but we have only one lamet, which must be represented the world. The word derived from root pei lamet lamet. Okay, so we say in this root of the word pei lamet lamet, two lamets. So, but in now the word tefillin we have only one lamet. Okay, that's okay. But which is missing in the word tefillin. So one lamet is missing from the word tefillin. So what does it mean? Continue. This is because the tefillin are the testimony and the proof that the divine presence rests upon us, right? As the verse in Dvarim 28:10 states, then all the people of the earth will see that the name of HaShem is proclaimed over you. So, and as we said, this one, on the arm you hide, but this one is always open, right? So the name of HaShem proclaimed again over you. And now sages of blessed memory expounded in Menachos 35b that this refers to tefillin shel rosh. Here we go, shel rosh, that has the letter shin, as we said, which is the third letter of the name. I'm going to mispronounce, right? Shakai, right? One of the names of Hashem embossed with the outside of the bias, right? We have the shin on the side. Therefore, one should be completely, not completely covered shel rosh with his towels. So basically, as we said before, some people put towels, many people put towels. Do not cover. This you can cover sometimes, like if you have like wider sleeve, you can look like completely covered. There is no problem with that tefillin. Last commentary, and we stop. In the event the tefillin were completely covered by towels, however, he has still fulfilled the mitzvah. So basically, after the fact, he did it, but it's not proper thing to do. Okay, any questions? I have a few minutes. Go ahead. If you have any.
The one question I have, it's very off topic, but I'm not sure. According to Rambam's model of the universe, right? The Earth is in the middle, correct?
What is in the middle?
The Earth.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Earth, and the Earth, it rotates, and everything else revolves around it, correct?
That's what Rambam said. I'm
No,
not sure. Okay. Go ahead.
I'm just asking what the Rambam said,
Okay.
and also, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking you which page. It's in Gemara Baba Basra. Probably. Okay. That's all I want to ask you to make sure if I was saying the right thing. That's all.
Okay. So I mean, if you send me this Gemara, all of the pages, we can look at it together. But otherwise, I never learned that.
I understand. Got it. Okay,
Thank you very much. I gotta go. So good night until tomorrow, Beezrat.
Good night.